guys, welcome back to our video. Today is part 2 of opening the boxes. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome back to the C.A.A.
Sisters
and
fam.
So sadly today it's only one C and
1A.
other A is busy. So should we do rock, paper, scissors to see which one we open first?
Yes.
If I win, we open Ken. If you win, we open Barbie. But remember, both of them are ours, and we need to share them. If we need the Barbie, we will ask. And if you need the Ken, you ask us. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Just out 3. So, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ready? Put it behind your back in there. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, ready? Whoever gets the 2 wins. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, Leon, you
You're
win!
doing Barbie.
Alright, let's show the. So this is what the Barbie looks like. She has a background of her house. This is from the first scene, Barbie. Can you go grab the Ken, please?
Okay. The one that got hit by the wave and had to get to the
So Barbie says, "Greetings from Barbie Land. Wishing you the best day ever." And this is what the side looks like, and the other side, and the front. So this Ken, show Ken.
This is
So this is the Ken that comes with this scene, Barbie. So
Barbie, get out of there.
and then this is the Ken that goes to the roller skating Ken. He has no shoes on, as you can. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, there you go.
There
He
is
has
no
kind of
shoes.
because his roller skating shoes are his, and his is the exact same as Barbie's back, but it doesn't show Barbie on the back. So here's the back.
The back has the actual player that played Barbie.
What's her name?
If you
Margot Robbie.
Yeah.
And Ryan Gosling. But we didn't get the Barbie that came with this outfit, that came with this Barbie that came with this outfit because we just didn't want to. And then we were also wanted the car, but we didn't get that, did we? Are you excited? So do you want to hold the camera while I cut it open?
Yes.
But show, no, right here, and we're going to show them cutting it open. Because last time we didn't, because we did not want to waste time. So much time doing it because we had so many things to open, right?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Here's Barbie.
Ooh, she did not want to come out. Hold on.
She's like, no, I'm staying.
All right, I got it, Grit. Come on.
Get out, Barbie.
Come on.
I think you need to cut it.
I did.
I have to cut it down.
I could probably open from the bottom too, and just force her out.
Maybe.
Punch her. So if yours is like ours and it's stuck on the top,
Yeah.
open the bottom and just
Like
push it out.
punch it out. Here she is out of the box, but she's still stuck.
I love the back. If we open it, this is what it looks like.
Fashion runway.
All right, let's flip her over.
No, she only has like 3 things. Oh, 4.
So what? Are you gonna show them me kind of it? So I'm just gonna cut that off. This
We
off.
do want Barbie to come out because if we won't cut it, she's gonna be stuck in there forever.
And I don't think she comes with any accessories, so.
No, she doesn't.
All right, should we check? Oh, there she goes.
Oh my gosh, she just falls right out.
Oh, we forgot.
She's like, get me out.
Don't forget to do the bottom.
Oh yeah, there's stuff on the bottom.
Here, actually, these I can just undo like so.
Yeah, you just undo the bottom and you don't cut them.
You don't have to cut them
You don't
because
have to cut them.
there's like a little hole thing here they slip through. And there's we.
Got her out, but
Alright, so this is what she
the
looks
back
like.
thing
And
is
here's her
still-
shoes. You want to show them the shoes?
they're
They
pink.
have like little like hearts on them. I don't know if you guys can see that really well.
Mom.
He's on. And she has this gorgeous flowery earrings.
I wanted the Barbie.
with little pink, and then pink necklace, and the same necklace, the same bracelet, and the same earrings, and then here's her belt,
I
her
wanted
dress,
this Barbie
her hair,
because-
and her curls. But sadly, I also wanted her to hold this so I can cut her open.
Yeah.
Hold this.
No, I want
This. I don't trust you. Sorry, you're too young. I don't want to get in trouble.
Okay, so always let an adult help you.
Especially because a kid can
People
ask-
that know and are careful at cutting stuff, they could help you, but not kids.
No.
Like teenagers can.
Yeah.
Like 15.
Yeah, or 14. It depends on how really. It depends on how really good they are at this.
You have to be like a professional.
Not a professional. They just have to be not like rough with it. All right. Oh, my waist. It's free.
Okay, Barbie's waist is free. She's like, my waist is free.
I know you said that.
My legs are about to be free.
This part I can't really get because it's like stuck a bit. So I'm just gonna go in here and try to. Can't really see this one here.
Got this, Charlie. You did it!
All right, there we go. Oh, my feet are free. Now we just have to let her hair free. Thankfully, it's not that hard. All you gotta do is just cut these like little things off.
Good thing the hair's not back out at the back. Poor Barbie, she's about to be free.
And all that's left is to take this like 3 top pieces out.
And then she's free.
All right, there you go.
She's free now.
Let's just. You wanna hand me the brush real quick? So this is what she looks like officially out of the box. I love her dress. It's giving Dorothy vibes from Wizard of Oz. I'm gonna just do a little.
If you have this come at your house, just be very careful and comb her hair.
Yeah, I'm not combing it. I'm just like trying to like use it just to like revive it because it was in the box for so long. There we go. Here she is. Now should we do Ken?
Yes.
Let's sit her.
Ken, get out of
Let's sit
there.
her down. Let's grab you.
I feel so bad for Ken because he's not even wearing shoes.
Well, his shoes are on the side. So far, both Kens that we have, the rollering one and the surfing one, this one right here, they both come with something. Like, for example, this one that I am just quickly fixing his
Pants?
yeah, it's because he's like
It's falling off.
falling off, sadly. He came with a surfboard, and this one comes with shoes on the side.
Roller
Even though
skates.
It's not that special, but it's still pretty cool. But poor Barbie comes with nothing.
Yeah.
I really want to get the rest of the guns, though. And the Barbies. So
I feel so bad for Ken with the roller skates because he has no shoes on.
I'm just trying to
Make her bangs back.
yeah, just push them down just a tiny bit. There.
I love her bangs.
Just don't push
And
them
her
down too
earrings.
bad. Because if you
Hey,
push,
Ken.
if you push down the bangs so far down, it's gonna be stuck on oh, this one's better.
Ken, if you pull it out, it's just like really easy. Oh
Unless-
my god.
Unless you do it terribly.
I almost hit the
Poor
camera.
Barbie does not come with anything. And Ken.
Wah.
Here, I'll show you guys what his looks like. Okay, hold on. Yeah, stop. There we go. So this is what Ken's look like. His just like the beach.
Look, he has no shoes on.
Well,
Feels
yet
so
again.
bad for him.
His
Yeah,
shoes.
but his shoes are right there. But he's not even wearing any shoes in the box.
Yeah, it's because his roller, he doesn't switch his shoes.
Feels so bad for him. There's a cowboy of Ken. Have you seen the Barbie movie?
It's a cowboy Ken, cowboy Barbie, and also the dancing Barbie. I really want.
Yeah, I really want him
And a
to.
car.
Yeah, we gotta get the car.
Honestly, I kind of wish that Mattel would make a dream house.
Of like the movie.
The movie, but also one for Ken. Like Ken needs one.
Ken needs one. He tried to destroy Barbies.
And no. Mm-mm. Don't say anything about the movie because some people might not have seen the movie yet.
Oh, sorry guys. Just
Ignore her. Ignore
Yeah.
her. But sadly, like in all the Barbie movies and in like the Barbie shows and the Barbies that you can buy, they never come within a place for Ken. And honestly, I think that's stupid.
Ken like needs his clubhouse or something.
He needs his own dream house. And
He needs his own
And
tiny
honestly,
house.
they need to bring back Alan and Midge. Now I know you're thinking, but C.A.A. sisters, she was pregnant and she didn't have a ring. Yes, but yet again, most pregnant women can't wear rings while they're pregnant because their fingers swell up really bad. So here's his shoes.
Let's see.
And the funny thing is, you can actually get your own pair. Like I think it's 2 pair of these shoes. So let's see them out.
So let's see.
And they actually move.
Now let's get this handsome Ken out.
Wait, hold on, I'm trying to show them the shoes. Look. It's moving. Which I think is cool. Oh,
They
and
come
it
off.
comes and there's like little holes. So that if you don't want him to like be rolling around right now, you can take them off and he can be walking. Let's do this.
I'm thinking about that we stand him up and he just falls right off.
Yeah.
Just falls down with his roller skates on.
There you go. Sweetheart.
Yeah.
Not so loud.
We need to get this handsome Ken out.
That's right.
Poor Ken. He's like, my hair's stuck forever now.
Not forever.
We got you now. Got you from Walmart, I think?
You don't think you know that it was from Walmart. You were there, silly, remember?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got these.
My head! It's free!
Yes, Ken!
And so is my neck. I'm gonna do the hands. Real. What? Yeah, his hat is stuck onto his head, but you can take it off if you want to.
Ken needs to have a break with that
I feel
hat.
like they kind of made the packaging on these boxes a little bit extreme, but that is just my thought.
This is actually a cute background. You see right there.
Yeah.
Maybe we could do a fashion show.
Maybe show them that, silly. But it's fine. She likes to show people things, don't you?
If you didn't see this, there's like ice cream on it.
Yeah. If you have not seen the Barbie movie, I would totally recommend seeing it. It's super cute. And
It's
also
kid
funny.
friendly.
It's funny and cute. So, oops, his handcuff came off. So this is what he looks like out of the box with his hat still on and without the shoes. So now I'm gonna put the shoes on him.
Roller skate shoes.
1, And on the side, it says in Palma. I think that's right. Can you see it?
Yes, in Palma.
In Palma.
It says in Palma.
Whatever that means. So this is what he looks like. Show them what he looks like. This is what he
I
looks
think
like.
in Palma
This
is
is what
the
he-
brand.
Yeah, this is what he looks like with his roller skates on. But then I'm just going to show you guys real quick what he looks like without it.
Bye, Ken.
Let's put them back on.
Maybe we're gonna do a video where like
Of them playing.
a short like they're like fighting who deserves Barbie.
Maybe.
Maybe if you want
don't-
us
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
subscribe because we only have 4 subscribers.
And when we get to 50 subscribers, we're gonna do
Oh, one of the C's here.
one of the A's.
I mean, one of the A's. Here.
A's.
With her brat stall.
Don't show the face.
We
We'll
might
show our faces when we get a little older, guys.
I was just showing the brat stall's face. So, you see the cute, adorable Barbie?
Yeah.
Ken is gonna get free so he can have his.
This is what his hat looks like.
Don't show Charlie's
Ken's like,
face.
I wanna die.
No, yeah, stop.
Subscribe to us and Scorpio because Scorpio is supporting us and made a video for us.
But it's the one with the dragon on it. That's his like icon logo.
Yeah, we
And he
need.
tells you guys to please subscribe to us.
We will have a live video when you give us.
I already said that, Amelia.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is what he looks like without the hat on. I'll just fix his head real quick.
Microwave.
So yeah, let's put his hat back on him.
He looks and maybe another day we might get the Barbie of the roller skates.
And hopefully the cowgirl and cowboy. So that is it for today. So remember to like.
Subscribe and comment down below.
What you would like us to do next. And also don't forget to share because that would help us so much. And yeah, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Show Barbie's legs.